Oh y'all, K possibly back at it again with another video. I feel like it's been so long since I've made a video, but it really hasn't. I guess it's been so long since I made the talking video, but then again it really hasn't because I just did a hair video, but I didn't post a video last week. So if you watch my videos every time I post, I'm sorry. I was busy, babe was in town, and it doesn't happen. Yeah, so I missed a week, but my apologies, but I'm back. Okay, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And let's try this again. Make sure you go like, make sure you go comment, and make sure you subscribe so you can see more content. Okay, so in this video, first, do y'all see my bra? Isn't it cute? I got this from Target. It was a part of their Pride collection, and it's by the brand Tomboy X, and it's so comfortable and it's so cute. So happy Pride Month to everybody in the LGBTQ plus community. Okay, go get this sports bra. This is not sponsored. Go get this bra. It's so cute. It has bottoms that go with it, and I should have gotten it, but I'm trying to save money and to not keep spending money just because I feel the need to spend money. So yeah, this is really cute. I was trying to get a t-shirt, but it didn't have a t-shirt that I liked. So yeah, shout out to Tomboy X, because this is very, very cute. So anyway, this video is going to be part 2 to the 5 things that you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. Like, these are must know, and I feel like these last 10 that I'm dropping are seriously some gems. So without further ado, I cannot talk. Let's just go ahead and get into this video before I keep rambling and stumbling over my words. Okay, so number 6, technically number 6, these are the apps that you need to get. I'm telling you, get a pen, write these down, write it in your phone, write it on something. These apps will help you, I promise you. So number 1, Canva. Okay, Canva will help you so much. Canva will help you to basically get your formatting together. I use Canva I think for my intro and for my outro I use Canva, and y'all see how cute my intro and outro look? So cute, I know. So yeah, it looks very, very cute, and it's because of Canva. And Canva also will help you with very cute fonts and stuff when you're trying to promote your stuff on social media. Like, a little secret that they don't tell you, all those reels and stuff that look aesthetically pleasing in the wording and the font, they use Canva. So you have to use Canva. The only thing about Canva is that there is a regular version, there is a pro version. I think it's worth getting the pro version, honestly, if you're going to use it a lot. But what they do for their fonts is, I'm gonna just drop this little tip, is that they create a font, type the words that they're going to use, and then they save it as a transparent image. But in order to do that, you need Canva Pro. So that's how they be getting all those pretty looking fonts on their reels and stuff, and on the TikToks. So yes, definitely Canva. Number 2 app is CapCut. So I wasn't really for editing stuff on my phone, but my laptop started acting dumb, so I had no choice but to use my phone to edit. So now that's all I use is my phone. So CapCut is a very, 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 like, 10 out of 10 editing app. I use CapCut for my intro, for my videos, for my outro, for everything. I use CapCut. It's 10 out of 10. I love it. It makes your pictures, your videos, whatever, look crystal clear. Okay, I love it. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say about CapCut. I really love it. There was something else I was gonna say, but I can't remember. Nope, hopefully they come back to me. And then another thing that I was using, if you have a MacBook, Movavi, I think that's how you say it, Movavi video editor. I was using that on, oh, that's what I was gonna say about CapCut, ADHD. That it's very easy to use and maneuver. It's not hard to figure out how to use it like at all, I promise. The Movavi, if that's how you say it, it was working, it was working very well for me. But then my laptop started acting stupid and the storage was acting dumb, so the video would not like fully transfer onto my computer. Like when I was putting it on YouTube, it would just show up black and it stopped showing up. So I said, you know what, I'm over it, and I paid money for it, so I'm a little mad about that. Lastly, Final Cut Pro. I do not have Final Cut Pro yet, but all of the girlies be saying do Final Cut Pro because even though it costs a lot of money, all the plugins that you get afterwards don't cost. So they're like free technically because you already paid an arm and a leg for that software. So I will only suggest using Final Cut Pro if you are like really planning on 100% coming into this YouTube stuff. Will I ever use it? Maybe if I get tired of editing on my phone. We'll see. Next, storage. Ooh, honey, baby, Jesus, storage. So if you are editing videos on your phone, excuse me, if you plan on editing them on your laptop too, like, you know, just if you plan on filming videos on your phone and then sharing it, airdropping it to your laptop, get a flash drive. Get one of those big hard drives. I don't have one of those yet because I'm cheap and it's not in my budget right now to spend $30 on that one thing, so I have not gotten it. But I definitely would recommend getting flash drives. So basically I just keep buying 34 gigabyte flash drives, and those have been doing me well for at least a year, over a year, something like that. But now that I'm on my phone filming and editing, I don't use my flash drives right now. That's where all my videos are, but I just don't use them right now. Now my phone storage is always a problem. Oh my gosh, like as soon as I edit a video, say the video is like 30 minutes long and upload it to YouTube, like, oh my gosh, I literally have to delete it because it's going to take up space, and I'm not going to be able to upload my other video directly from CapCut because it says like insufficient storage. So storage is so important. If you plan on just keep filming on your phone, buy, you know, a crap ton of storage. I also have a bunch of pointless videos and screenshots on my phone that take up a lot of storage, but that's not what we're talking right now. So yeah, storage is definitely something that you want to keep in mind, okay? Next is your tags. So tags are really important, and they help the people who are searching for your video or searching for a video similar to yours know like keywords to look for to help bring up your video. Like, that's why you have to look at tags. I suggest, we're just going to go into my next little point. I suggest looking at other YouTubers' tags who, let's say, oh my gosh, let's say you have a video of like makeup for beginners tutorial, something like that, okay? So what you're gonna want to do is look up those videos that, you know, are similar to what your videos are, and look at to see what different tags they use. You want to try to use as many tags as possible. Like as many, just keep on tagging till you can't tag no more. So say my channel name is how to make pizza. I'm not my channel name, my title is how to make pizza. So I'm gonna title how to make pizza, how to make pizza, how make. Like, you keep breaking it up until you can't break it up anymore. Like, promise you, do it every single time for every title, okay? Promise you, do it. This next one is TubeBuddy, y'all. This is free. Whoever dropped this little YouTube gem, like TubeBuddy, I 100% recommend getting it. Like, download it onto your computer ASAP. TubeBuddy shows you the different titles that you can. So basically, just come up with the title in your head, type it into TubeBuddy. Basically, what you have to do, I'm gonna pull up a little screen recording of how to do it, or a little video of how to do it. You want to go and select, I cannot talk today, select keyword explorer, I think that's what it says, and type in the title that you plan on using, and then you do that, and TubeBuddy will basically show you, like, on the scale of whatever, either, you know, red for people might not look at this video, or green, that this video will get a lot of pickups. So TubeBuddy will help you, I promise you. Like, seriously, like, there's been times where I put in the title and I'm like, ooh, I don't know how this is gonna go, but TubeBuddy definitely helped me to, like, condense my words together just to find a title that will get more traction. And it picks up, like, it tells you the search volume that it'll get, as well as if it's a trending title, like all that stuff. So yes, get TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will also tell you, once you have TubeBuddy on there, like, you're set. So if I was to get TubeBuddy, which I already have, and select someone's video, it tells me the tags that they use. So it helps you to know what tags you need in order to boost your video and make your video get all the traction that it needs. So definitely get TubeBuddy. I wish I would have gotten it when I first got a YouTube channel, but it's okay, I have it now, and that's all that matters. And then lastly, I feel like I've been talking really quickly, but I hope, like, I just don't want to be rambling all the time. So okay, lastly, be yourself. I'm gonna say it again.
Be yourself.
Like, that's super important, especially in YouTube. You have to be 100% authentically yourself, because if you don't, like, it's just going to be hard to keep up with the image that is not real. So it's important that you be yourself. It's important that you don't follow trends just because you want to go viral. Like, if it's not for you, it's not for you, and that's okay. But you can't go chasing other people's dreams by doing stuff that they're doing because that's in their lane. Like, stay in your lane. What High School Musical say? Stick to the status quo. Like, that's so real when it comes to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of that. Be yourself. Stick to what you know. You can go outside the box, of course, but don't go outside the box and be phony about it. Like, you can genuinely try different things, but there's a certain way to do it to not make you appear one way that you're completely not. So as long as you be yourself, it might not happen when you want it to, as far as like going viral and stuff like that, but it's God's plan. It'll happen when it's supposed to. It'll happen when it's meant to be. Inshallah, like, it is going to happen. Okay, I promise. As long as you stay consistent, as long as you don't give up, as long as you keep trying. Okay, so I finally am dropping this video. It's supposed to be dropped like a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, but I'm finally dropping it, and I hope these tips are very, very helpful, because these are the things that I wish I knew from the beginning that I did not know. But now that I know, I can share them with you, and I hope they are helpful to you. Seriously, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and of course make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Comment below, okay? Say hey girl, hey, say what's up, say whatever you want to say, okay? I will see y'all later.